Hi friends, today I am going to tell you how to graft rose plants. Especially I am telling you that if you can say such type of a rough variety of uh, you can say or unwanted variety of roses, then you can transfer or convert them into hybrid roses by grafting or eye grafting. Now here I am going to tell you how to do tea grafting. That is just like orange bud grafting, because earlier means recently I uploaded videos related to orange grafting, where I used uh, tea grafting also, uh, tea bud grafting. So that method is very useful in roses, oranges, and even you can use tea grafting in bear also. So there are so many videos in my video playlist. You can see tea grafting of bear, tea grafting of orange. So you can see them for understanding this tea grafting of rose also. Now how to select this cyan for budding purpose. So whenever you means like to graft, you have to select the quality roses in your surrounding, and take a branch of flowering stick. So whenever that you can say flower comes on the tip of the branch, newly branch, then if you means touch it and flower petals you can say comes down from the flower, then you can understand that is a matured scion for you can say grafting purpose or bud grafting purpose. So then you have to cut from the flower below the flower up to 10 centimeter, by which you can means take just like now see here 8 to 10 buds you can take out from such type of a cyan. Now how to select cyan, already such a way you can select it. Now at the time of you can say taking buds, you have to cut first those leaves from the cyan, and as there are you can say thorns. Now you have to take out these thorns completely. Now insert your blade here, and below the bud, or about 5 millimeter, you have to insert that blade, and inserting that blade like a boat shape, you have to take this above the bud up to 1 centimeter in length from the bud, by which you can take easily that hardwood which is attached to the bark. Now see here, as you have taken out this bud. Now now see here, now cut it, and see here, now there is hardwood with bark. Now what after that, you have to take tip of the knife and insert there for taking out the hardwood which is attached to the bark. Now as you are taking this, only you have to take out that pointed portion from one end such a way, and bend it, and later pick it with your nails. Now see here, now you have to use now your fingers. Now catch it with the nails such a way, and pull it by twisting such a way that your hardwood will be clearly get out from the bark, without means you can say stretching to the bark. No shrinkage should be you can say in the bark. It is a precocious work, delicate work. Now see here, that hardwood is out of the bark. Now there is no shrinkage on the bud here. Now the above part already you have taken out about 1.5 centimeter about, and that's why you have to cut that extra part with the help of blade now, by keeping the size of 1 centimeter about 5 millimeter below the bud and 5 millimeter above the bud, such a way. Now short it, cut it, extra part, extra bark. Now such a way, now your bud is ready with you can say only bark here. Such a way you have to take out bark. Now how to select that, you can say root stock. Root stock must be of newly born, about you can say 15 to 1 month of age. Now its size should be minimum of refill size of ball pen, and it can be increased up to you can say pencil size also. So now you have to give horizontal cut, such a way horizontal cut of about 1 centimeter, and then vertical cut, just like you have to prepare T shape there, such a way make a T shape there. Now the vertical cut should be of you can say not more than 1.5 centimeter, mean 15 millimeter. And now lose the bark by inserting blunt end of or blunt tip of knife, such a way you have to lose only the bark. See here, such a way you have to lose the bark. See here, now take that bud with bark now in proper way, that bud upper part should be upside. Now after that, by finger you have to open the bark, both the part of bark, and then insert the bud and press it. And if that is not purely means coming down, then with the help of blunt tip you have to push the bud downward direction, by which it can be totally take its empty place, and press it, by which it can you can say set on the hardwood which is of xylem and phloem. Now here, see here, I am pushing that bud downside, such a way lightly, slightly, by which bud should not be break, because it is delicate work. Now after that you have to take 0 polythene. See here, you have to wind the total part except bud. Bud should be open. You should not means you can say wind or close the bud. Other part should be closed, such a way. Thin polythene you have to use. Now see here, after 15 after you can say 15 days, between 15 to 30 days, the sprouting of that you can say grafted bud will start. And after consider that after 15 days, if your bud is green in color as it was when you means you can say fit inside the bark, then understand that your means grafting is going to be successful 100%. Then you have to cut, though the sprouting is not coming, but as it is means live till you can say 15 or 20 days, then you have to cut the above branch. Above branch means the branch which is above the you can say grafted bud. You have to cut the upper part, by which the food material will go up to that you can say cut part, and total food material will be absorbed by that bud and it will grow speedily. Now what type of precaution take in future? only you have to permit to grow bud bud part only, which is we can say fitted inside the bark. If other branches are coming from the original plant, that is we call rootstock, then you have to detach them. So dear friends, such a way you can graft a new variety of